hope you're still doing well, and I hope you're ready to learn about how to measure and calculate density. So remember, density is mass divided by volume. And if I had a regular shaped object, like this book about mushrooms, I could measure with this ruler the length, the width, and the height, multiply them together because that's how you find the volume of a rectangular prism, and get my volume that way. And then I could use this kitchen scale to find my mass. Just like anything else when you're finding the mass. However, this rock is not normal shaped, right? It's got all kinds of irregular sides, so we're going to use what's called the displacement method to find the volume. So I've got this graduated cylinder here, right? Graduated cylinders are used to find the volume of liquids. And if I put this rock in this graduated cylinder, it's going to displace the amount of water that is equal to its volume. Kind of how if you get into a bathtub, the water level rises, because your body is displacing that water. So I already measured out this graduated cylinder to 50 milliliters. So the volume of water in this graduated cylinder is 50 milliliters. I'm going to put my rock in. And now it looks like it is 54 milliliters. So the volume of the water and the rock together is 54 milliliters. And I need to get my rock out, so I'm going to use this water we had from earlier. Oops. Got my rock out. I'm going to dry it off a little bit. Now I'm going to find the mass. So I put it on the kitchen scale, and it says the mass is 9 grams. So that was the easy part. Oh, my G is kind of sideways. It's a little bit better. But we still need to actually find the volume of the rock. We've got the volume of the water and the volume of the rock and the water, but we need to take the volume of the water plus the rock minus the volume of the water to get the volume of the rock. So we're going to do 54 milliliters minus 50 milliliters, and that gets us 4 milliliters. So we've got our mass, 9 grams, our volume, 4 milliliters. So density equals 9 grams divided by 4 milliliters, and that equals 2.25 grams per milliliter. And every time you find density, you're doing the same thing. You're taking mass and dividing it by the volume, and you're leaving the units as they are. We're always going to be finding our mass in grams and our volume in milliliters. If we had different units, we would have to make some changes. But does this make sense, 2.25? Well, if the density of water is 1, anything above 1 sinks, and right, to grab our water again, this guy sinks, then this makes sense. So I hope this was helpful. Have a great day.